Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 tipped to sport stereo speakers, launch may be delayed to summer 2021. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 is tipped to come with better speakers than on its predecessors. The phone is expected to have stereo speakers, a welcome improvement over the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G, both of which have downward-firing mono speakers on board. The next iteration of the foldable phone is reported to launch in the summer of 2021. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 was earlier expected to launch alongside the Galaxy S21 series in January or February, but the launch is said to have been pushed further. Tipster at Ricciolo1 has tweeted that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 may have stereo speakers. The tipster reveals little else about the foldable phone. These upgraded speakers, if included, will be a welcome change from the downward-firing mono speakers found on the other Galaxy Z Flip models. Another tipster, Ross Young, took to Twitter to claim that the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 has been delayed to the summer of 2021. If this holds any weight, then the foldable handset won't launch alongside the Samsung Galaxy S21 series that is anticipated to be unveiled in January next year. The reason for the delay has not been mentioned, but it could presumably be due to production or supply issues. More details about the design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 are not known yet, but it should see improvements over its predecessor, which has a clamshell-like foldable display. For the Samsung Galaxy S21, the company has not announced when the Galaxy Unpacked event will be held, but reports suggest that it may be held earlier than usual in January 2021. The launch event is now expected to be held on January 14th, with sales to begin soon after. The company will reportedly launch 3 models in the Galaxy S21 series: the vanilla Samsung Galaxy S21, Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and the premium Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.